Czerveniak, here with Fearless Cooking. I have my leftover vegetables here that we use partly for our roasted vegetable dish tonight. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to saute them in my wok. You can use a Dutch oven if you like. Whatever works for you. Start off with a little bit of oil. And I have here some star anise. I love the flavor of star anise in my vegetable stock. The idea is not to waste anything. So I will give this a little bit of a toasting here. And then I will add my onion peels, garlic peels. Just don't waste it. Not everything has to go into a compost at this time in our life. Some of us have one of the most beautiful compost heaps there is, but you can make something out of this before. So I am sauteing these vegetables, bring all the flavors, all the juices out of them. Usually I would have carrots in it, but we don't have any today. Again, I will put some salt in it. Some pepper. You can either do this in the oven, if you like, on a sheet, the same way as we did the one pan sheet dinner. You can roast your vegetables in the oven and then come back and put it in a pot and add some water. Or if you have some leftover juices from either pasta or yam gnocchi, as we did the other day, you would add that at this point. We don't want to waste anything. I always feel like the vegetables are talking to me, and basically what they're saying is, let's not get wasted. So we're not going to waste our vegetables. That's an important part. Even the peeling, you do not want to waste that. So you see some of coloration already here in the vegetables. Starting to smell pretty good. Any herbs left that you want to use up, put them in. Parsley stalks or anything you have, or even parsley, just put it in there. It'll give you a beautiful flavor. Okay, and now I used all my juices up this week. And I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I will turn it down for about half an hour, 30 minutes, and we will have a beautiful vegetable juice that you can work with. You can use it as a stock instead of, use it for any of your sauces. If you are vegetarian, this is the best way to do your vegetable stock. So our stock is now finished in about 25 minutes. I have a lot of onions in there, so you don't want to overcook it because it could get a little bit bitter. So always taste your juice, your jus, or your stock, your vegetable stock, after you have strained it. So I'm going to do that now. You have a beautiful stock here that you can work with. You can use it for anything, for any of your dishes. You don't have to buy the high sodium vegetable stock. This is part of my series of Let's Not Get Wasted and use everything up that we have. Be fearless in your kitchen. See you next time.